This is the double fisherman's bend or grapevine knot. We use this to join two ropes together. This is not really a knot, it is indeed a bend. What we'll do is we'll take our first working end and we will take two round turns. Here's one and two, and then pass that back through. So here we have our first fisherman's bend. See, our other rope passes freely through. We'll take our other working end and we will make two round turns. There's one and two, and we will pass through. We will fare this down, and we see our second fisherman's bend. So now, as we pull the standing ends, we see this come together and compress. We see that we have made this correctly. We have all four parallel sides, and as we flip over, we see an X pattern on the other side. And this is our completed double fisherman's bend.